deliver a special message to His Excellency the President from President Ruto of Kenya. Secondly, we wanted to appreciate the intervention of the President on the Kenya Airways incident, which has been resolved amicably, and we were here to thank him and to also reaffirm that the partnership is bigger and we want to work even more going in the future. We also want to assure that we want trade and business between the two countries to grow. We also wanted to reaffirm that Kenya respects the territorial integrity and sovereignty of the Democratic Republic of Congo, and to assure the people of DRC et assurer le peuple congolais that Kenya will always work with them to ensure that there is peace and harmony in the region of East Africa. We are also happy that the President communicated with us with a lot of respect. We have a good message to take back to President Ruto.
Et nous avons un très bon message à ramener au président Ruto.
We are partners.
Nous sommes des partenaires.
And that is the message.
Tugitiganira icio tukirongoreria cigi utungata wa urigiti na ni ati thengia wa